Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing our June Boxycharm unboxing. I saw a lot of sneak peeks of this month's box on Instagram and I am very excited to open everything up, try everything on. I'm beyond excited. So this month's theme is Caribbean Queen, which I absolutely love. The first thing that I'm grabbing out of the box is this palette right here. This one is the Alamar Reina Del Caribe. This palette is full size and it retails for $28 US. It features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names and feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush. The sun symbol for application with a dry brush. So opening this guy up, I mean, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shades. And the ones that are calling out to me the most, shoot, I don't know, all of them really. But I think I'm gonna do this one, this one, this one, and then perhaps these two. We'll see, we'll see. It's gonna be a pretty intense look. I really wanna play with these. They just look so gorgeous. So let's see here. We're going to start with Coco Taxi, which is this beautiful warm tone shade. Grabbing that with my Sigma Tapered Blending. This is the E40. I'm going to apply it here along the crease using circular and windshield wiping motions. Just going back and forth with that. All right. I like it. I like it a lot. Next, using the same brush, I'm grabbing Tropico right here, which is this more of a reddish orange shade. And I'm going to apply it pretty much in the exact same spot, just down a little bit further. And first, I'm patting it onto the lid to place it where I want it. And then I am going to be blending it. This one has a little bit of kick up. Nothing too crazy though. Just making sure that I'm like tapping my brush on the side just so that it doesn't all fall underneath my eye. Since I've already taken care of that, don't want to mess it up. Next, I want to deepen the look just a little bit and I'm debating between Guantanamera and Cafecito. I think I'm going to do Cafecito. Let's hope that this looks good on the eyes. I have this image in my head of like what I want the look to look like, but sometimes it doesn't always look the way that you imagine it's going to, so let's hope. So I'm just going to apply this with my blending E25. I'm just going to pat Cafecito here along the outer corner of my eye, just to add some depth. I'm not going too crazy with this. Okay, so now that I'm done with those three all had little suns next to them, so I could not use them wet, or I should not use them wet. These 4 up here have the little water droplet. So I'm thinking I want to do something with these 2, but I'm not really sure which one. Maybe both. Okay, now I grabbed my concealer brush, I sprayed it with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to grab Celia. I'm assuming like maybe Celia Cruz. We're going to try to apply this on the lid wet. You know what? Sometimes I find that they apply better with your finger. Oh yeah, I'm ditching that brush, that wet brush, and applying it with my finger. Wow. That is bright. That is a pretty bright and bold eye right there. All right, next I'm going to take my E30 from Sigma. This is a pencil brush, and I think I'm going to grab El Malecón. I'll grab that, and I'm going to place it along the inner corner here as like a pop of shimmer there. Oh, I like that. I'm going to clean off my brush really quickly before grabbing Tropico once again. I'm going to place that along the lower lash line. And then I'm going with Coco Taxi and I'm going to blend it out. I don't know if I should have added the blue. Now I'm like, I don't No, if it should have been blue instead. What if I add the blue over it? Ooh, I'm gonna combine those two. I'm just like trying to use as many colors out of this palette as I can. So I'm going back with Varadero, which is this blue right here, and I'm placing it on top of the green. I don't know, the green just didn't convince me enough, but combining these, I really, really love the way that it looks now. Okay, so now I'm done with the palette. We're gonna dig back into the box. Next is this Gentil Blue, I believe is how you would pronounce that. It is a waterproof eyeliner pencil. It retails for $5 US. It is a 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil that glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or the waterline. Mine came in the shade Charcoal. I don't know. It seems kind of dry to me. Yeah, Gentil Blue. This is not, no. It's not really showing up. It could also be the shade. I mean, Charcoal isn't black, so that could be why. It's kind of showing up along the waterline just a little bit, but I'm really having to drag it back and forth in order to get it to show like this. It's not like a gel liner either. Those tend to be a lot more intense and they show up right away. Whereas this one, I'm really having to work with. So I don't know about this one. Okay, we're done with that one. Next from the box, we are going to grab the lashes. These are from Battington. They are the Monroe Silk Lashes. They retail for $28 US. The 3D multi-layered Battington Monroe Silk Lashes enhance your look with moderate length. Let me know if you all would want me to put a video together on how to apply false lashes with a band. I do have a video on how I apply lashes without the band, but I find that with the band is a little bit more challenging and it's just a little different. So let me know if you all want to see that and I will gladly film that for you guys. I like them. They're nice and flattering and they're not too much, but they're not too little where you can't really tell that you're even wearing false lashes, you know what I mean? I like these a lot. Alright, so now that we've got those lashes popped on, I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara onto the lower lash line. Alright, next from the box, I'm going to take these brushes. These are from Luxie. These retail for $42 US. They are handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. In this trio, you get the Precision Foundation Face Brush, which is their 660. You also get their Tapered Highlighting Face Brush, which is their 522. And you get a Duo Fiber Powder Brush, which is their 516. I like Duo Fiber brushes. I have the Duo Fiber Blush Brush from Sigma that I really love for blush application because it allows you to grab blush and deposit it onto the cheek, but without it being too much. You know what? This says it's a foundation brush, but I'm gonna use it as a contour just because it does have like a pointy tip, but it's tapered. I wonder, I'm gonna use it for contour. Let's see. So I'm gonna grab some of my Hoola bronzer. Yes, this is going to be a really good like bronzing brush, contour bronze. I really like the way that it's applying that. I don't know if I'd use this for foundation, but I'm liking it for this. Yes. I'm going to take the Duo Fiber and I'm going to grab this Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact. This is in the shade Nectar. And apply it onto the cheeks very lightly. And even though this is like kind of like a highlighter blush, I'm going to go in with an actual highlighter. This one is from Hourglass, and I'm going to be using the Tapered Highlighter brush in order to apply highlighter onto the tops of my cheeks here. Yes. All right, next out of the box, we have a lipstick. Let me see. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I really enjoy their formula, so I'm excited to try this on. This is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look, which I love, of course. They retail for $21 US. So let's try this on. This is in the shade Verona. These really are like very opaque and kind of like a one swipe and you're good to go. They are very soft and comfortable on the lips. I can tell you that right now. Love it. All right, and last but not least, this is the guy that I was the most excited about. Every time I go into Sephora, I'm like, should I buy it? Should I not? And so now I have the opportunity to try it without making that big purchase commitment. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is obviously not full size. This is a little mini that retails for $10 US. It is a cream that is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It's creamy and rich with guarana, I believe is what that is, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. I'm skeptical on that stuff. I really don't think that a cream is just going to allow my skin to just completely get really tight and my butt to look really lifted and great. But hey, I love the smell of this stuff. This just smells like a vacation. It smells like when I'm wearing this, I should not be at home. I should be out, like lying on the beach, relaxing somewhere. It just smells so good. I love the way that it smells. So will I use it? Absolutely, I'm going to use it, and I will probably end up purchasing the full size after this. I just already know it because now that I have it and it's accessible for me to smell and lather on and smell like it all day, I'm just gonna want to purchase the big one. So that's that. All right, so this month's box retails for $134, and I got it all for just $21 a month. So I'd say this month was definitely worth it. The only thing that I didn't really like was the eyeliner. That's the only thing that I was kind of like, meh, you know, meh. But everything else, I mean, was great. The lipstick's great. It feels great. It doesn't transfer. It's like, oh, I love this formula so much. It's so comfortable. The eye look, it's just, the palette is so vibrant and bright and just colors that are completely out of my comfort zone, but I am enjoying this eye look right here. The lashes are actually really nice. They're flattering, they're light, they feel really comfortable on the eyes. And let's see, what else did we get? I think that's it, right? Oh, and the brushes. The brushes were actually really nice. I found a new contouring brush that I did. I will not be using it for foundation. Contour for me, I really like the way that it applied my bronzer. And yeah, so that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope that you enjoyed this month's Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future unboxing videos, makeup tutorials, product reviews, anything beauty related. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I am All Beauty by Sarah with an H on Instagram and All Beauty by Sarah without the H on Snapchat and Twitter. As always, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye.